3 fucking years. 3 years ago is when I realized a part of the system of money. And for the past 18, maybe 18 to 24 months, I have been observing people doing the same shit over and over again, expecting different results. Wishing they are rich and blaming others that if the government is, if my wife is, if my job is, if my family is rich, if I was born with a silver spoon in my mouth. And I've been hearing their complaints, not doing shit about their lives, or expecting to level up in their lives, expecting to better their lives, and yet they don't do shit about it. And there is one thing, in order for you to do, to better your life, to get ahead of others, or to just level up, makinig ka mabuti, para malaman mo. Alam mo kung ano? Handa ka na. Mindset. Kung hindi mo babaguhin yung mindset mo, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Kung patuloy ka na nagtatrabaho na hindi na inaasahan mo ibang resulta, pero yung mindset mo hindi mo binabago, well, surprise, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Trust me. I have been observing people expecting a change in their lives, doing the same shit over and over again. Kuha mo. If you keep a shitty mindset and have plans, you'll do great in the first part, but you'll end up doing the same shit over and over again, expecting a different result. Try changing your mindset for success or for goals, and then plan ahead. Kuha mo. Tell you the recipe of getting ahead in life. You don't have to be rich. You just have to get ahead in life. You just have to be happy or contented in what you have. But if you're contented in your current life doing the same shit over and over again, well, good for you. But for others, here's my recipe. My recipe is effort, mindset, and action. By effort, I mean mental effort. By mindset, it's up to you what's your definition of mindset. But for me, my definition of mindset is a system of thinking. And action is physical action. Later, I'll discuss to you about action. And that, my friend, is why most people are not getting ahead of their lives or leveling up their lives, because they're not willing to change their mindset. They're not willing to have a cognitive strain or exert a mental effort in changing their lives. If you want to better your life or level up in your life, I have a challenge for you. Let's take this for example. Let's say you go into a mall, been strolling there for 30 minutes, and you see a brand of watch. Let's say Rolex, because everyone loves Rolex, right? Or everyone wants to have a Rolex. You see that piece of Rolex watch around your wrist, and visualizing it, loving it, just savoring the moment that you have that watch. Think of it. Now, this is the exciting part. Well, most of us or most of the people say when they see something expensive or something that they like but expensive, they say, nah, I can't buy that. Nah, I can't afford that. Nah, ain't nobody got time for that. No, here's the part that will excite you, or hopefully may excite you. Ask yourself, how can I get this watch? And then your mind will burst of ideas of how you will get that watch, how you will get that Rolex watch in your wrist. Take that challenge for me, please. I want to help, and I want to see change your life. If you've been doing that, leave your comments down below. I will see you in my next video.